Why does he keep visiting me? Miami, Orlando, 863 949 102 Wabash Avenue. If you don't leave this lobby by the time 666 seconds is over, you will be banned for 666 days, and be stalked in banned lobbies. Panic and do not turn off your device during the emergency broadcast. This emergency broadcast is not a drill. Please do not panic and do not turn off your device during the emergency broadcast. Please listen to this broadcast very carefully to... This is not a drill. PPPV has returned in Guerrilla Tech, so has J3VU. This is serious. You need to warn others before they are attacked by the dangerous hackers on Guerrilla Tech. I would advise you never join the code 1115829 warning. This is not fake news. Stay safe. May Guerrilla Tech be in peace. This emergency broadcast is not a drill.